So, do you have any topic in mind that you want to talk about, or shall we just go with the line topic?
Okay, we'll go with the topic that we have been given.
Okay, all right. Anyways, it's a hot topic these days, talking about Olympics, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So you are up to date about the Olympics. I mean, are you interested in any sports? You like watching sports or anything?
Actually, I was a sports enthusiastic, particularly in cricket. So whenever there was any match on TV, so I never missed it. So, but
Oh,
nowadays I don't watch matches because I think now it's for me it's a waste of time because the time that I devote in watching cricket, I can devote it for learning my spoken English, and that's what I'm
wow.
doing nowadays.
Wow, that's great. I mean, you are devoting your time here instead of your, your most interesting sports. I believe you find it very interesting, so that is why I called it the most interesting sport. Okay, and any other sport which is a part of Olympics? I mean, and any sports from Olympics?
Earlier, I used to watch, particularly say badminton, table tennis. If there
Mm-hmm.
was an Indian can earn a medal, so I used to watch.
Okay, but you might have heard about the recent win that India won a gold medal in
Yes,
javelin throw. You must have heard about that,
yes, I have heard
about
about.
Neeraj Chopra.
Yes.
Okay. And before that, when we won a silver medal, Mirabai won a silver medal. So let's talking to that point. Because we have all heard and we have seen a lot of news where Mirabai was followed by lots of security and there was a lot of hype when she won the silver medal. Have you seen those news on Twitter or any social platform or
No,
anything?
no, I did not follow.
Okay. But I have actually seen that all of a sudden she was accompanied by a lot of security persons and there was a lot of hype everywhere. So I feel it's like when people are in this struggle period, nobody is paying any attention to them, and all of a sudden when they win a medal, there's a lot of hype going on around them. All the ministers all of a sudden just wake up
Yes,
just when they actually win a medal. So I want to know your views about it, on it.
I think we should not wait for the incident that one win a medal and then we felicitate
Hmm.
them.
Right,
Before
right.
before that, the government should come up and provide them all the facilities that is required.
So see, there is a lot of cost which is involved when a country decides to host an Olympics. So do you feel that cost is kind of waste of money?
It depends. Actually, you say there are so many countries are very rich countries, so they can
Hmm.
afford to hold such a mega event easily. For them,
Hmm.
it is not a problem. But countries like us, it is a very big thing to waste so much. To expend so much money, and
Right.
because we have so many other things that in other areas we have to spend money, so we cannot afford to spend money in sports a huge money, ignoring the all other essential aspects like health.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
this is some of the countries actually. So say America, if they host a mega event like this Olympic, this is no problem for them.
Okay, I was saying that of course it might have some of the benefits as well, but thinking about the considering the cost part, I don't think it's a sensible decision, right? If India ever opt to host Olympics.
Benefits in the sense that all the countries, almost all the countries get together, and it gives a very good relation between among them. It
Yes,
creates,
right.
it is the main benefit that.
If particularly talking about India hosting Olympics, I mean there can be benefit like maybe players can get a benefit out of that, because there's a different level of motivation which would be there in, the players. Because when Olympics are held outside India, not many people can really, afford to go there and watch and cheer people out there, cheer players out there. So, in that sense, maybe in some way it would
Yes,
help players, right?
yes, yes. And in another sense that it also gets developed some areas, particularly the game villages where game villages are constructed around
Right,
surrounding these areas gets developed. Even in
right,
our
right, right.
place also, say I live in Guwahati, so here
Mm-hmm.
in the year 2000, I just forgot the year, national event, national games are held here in Guwahati. So we
Mm-hmm.
got to see so many areas got developed,
Mm-hmm.
our routes and uh, all other things were constructed.
Okay, so moving on, do you feel transgender should be made a part of Olympic Games? That the player who are good, the transgender player who are good in any sport, they should also be allowed to be a part of Olympics.
Yeah, that can be done because we have male female events. So for transgenders, a separate for them, a separate events maybe. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
very good.
If they really feel like, because being a citizen of a country, they should be provided with equal rights, because these days they are being provided with some of the rights for sure. So why not, they should be involved in this field as well, no?
Yes, yes. They are suffering no fault of their own. Nobody uh, actually accept in our society to be frank.
Right, exactly. Okay. So coming to the vocabulary, but do you have anything else to discuss, that you want to discuss about Olympics or anything?
No, it's okay. Whatever you'll ask me, I'll try to give answer.
Okay, all right. Okay, so I was thinking to discuss some of the vocabulary words. Okay, you went through the vocabulary.
I went once. I don't know what were the vocabularies were there, but okay, I'll try. You can ask me.
Okay, we can discuss some of the common words which you can use in your day-to-day interactions. Okay, there's a word suffice. I hope you are aware of the word suffice.
But it pronounced suffice, I think.
Yeah, so there are two pronunciations actually, because we actually sometimes say, for example, schedule and schedule. So suffice and suffice are two pronunciations of the same.
But I googled it. In both the cases, UK and US, in both cases, they are pronouncing like suffice.
Okay,
Both in US.
I have actually heard a lot of people pronouncing it suffice as well. Okay, we can go with the suffice if you feel like. Okay, so you have an understanding about the word suffice?
Yeah, that is enough. It is
Yeah,
suffice to
exactly.
like this. I can say it is suffice to say this, or it is suffice for me to have this, like that.
Right, exactly. For example, people sometimes talk about the documents in that form, that these documents would suffice the requirement, like that, right? Okay, and there's another word, ardent. Do you know about the word ardent?
Arden is very enthusiastic or passionate. Say, I am an ardent supporter of our cricket team, like this, I can say.
Exactly. Exactly. Putting out your support or feelings very strongly out there, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. You have any other word in mind that you want to discuss about?
I was not prepared with the words, actually. I don't know.
Okay, okay. Just out of curiosity, I had just when you just told me that you are from Guwahati, I felt like I just ask you at the end of a session. I've heard that Guwahati is such a beautiful place, is it?
Yeah, yeah, it's a beautiful place. Yeah.
Okay, because I have actually heard about because I have a team lead. I mean, my team lead is from Assam. He used to work here in Delhi and now he's in his hometown. So he used to talk a lot about Assam and Guwahati. He used to say that these places are really, really beautiful. So I just felt like I'll just ask you whenever we are done with the topic.
Yes, yes. You should visit once our city, Guwahati. Not only our city, I think Assam. There are so many things you can have the experience. Like we have Kaziranga National Park. You can visit there.
Mhm.
Even tourists from other countries also visit
Yes,
this.
yes, yes. I have heard about that. Okay, so is there more of a hilly area or greenery kind of area or what?
The hilly area, not at say in our cities, but there is no hill, plain
Okay,
areas.
okay, plain areas, but more of a greenery kind of area or what? And weather is really good there.
Yeah, the weather is really good, but nowadays it is not as good as it used to be. Now this time we are experiencing very hot weather, but earlier it was not
Okay.
like that. Yeah, say 20 years back it was not like that. So
Okay.
it has
So
changed.
isn't it raining out there?
No, this year we got less rain.
Okay, it's raining a lot in Delhi, in fact. So that is why I felt like maybe it must be raining there as well.
Oh, Delhi is getting rain.
Yes, a lot of. And in fact,
Okay.
it was raining even in the month of May when it used to be so hot in previous years, but this year it was raining even in the month of May.
So you are very lucky to have rains.
But extreme of everything is kind of bad. So yeah, here it is like raining extremely. So that is why it's not even that good. Situation is not really that good.
Incessant rains that you are getting.
Hmm. Right. Okay. All right. You have anything in mind you want to discuss?
Mm, okay, you can ask if you have some pages. Let's try. If I can, what you know, you can ask the
Okay,
phrases, some
phrases.
phrases.
Actually, yesterday I was thinking of some phrases. I'll just ask you some of them. Okay. Okay. You know about the phrase selling. Like I'm not sure if it is being uploaded on YouTube channel or not, but I actually went through some of them. So, do you know about the phrase selling like hotcakes?
Yes, yes. Is extremely in demand. Selling
Yes,
like
yes,
cakes.
yes. Exactly. Okay, there's this another one under from under your nose or yeah, from under your nose.
Under your very nose, like this.
Yes,
This crime was happening under the very nose of police, like that.
yes, 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 exactly. Something which is happening, in front of you, or you are not able to, see it, or you are kind of ignoring it,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You have anything in mind you want to ask, or you have any doubts?
Okay, I'll tell you one. This is a very interesting one. I have got 2 days back. So spreading oneself too thin. You know that one?
No, not really.
Okay. So suppose you are doing, you have taken up so many works at one time. Say
Hmm.
you are here, you are imparting training. So you have other jobs. You are working in an MNC
Hmm.
and other so many things you have taken up. Say
Hmm.
you are learning some.
I'm
Uh,
learning German.
so many. So you are taking up so many things at a time that you
Hmm.
are hardly give full concentration to any of them.
Hmm.
You are unable to give concentration properly to any of
Hmm.
them. In that case, it can be said that I am spreading myself too thin. TOO2THIN. So this is
Okay.
a very
Okay.
nice phrase I have got.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. I am going to remember this one.
These days I am spreading myself too thin. I cannot concentrate on any one of them.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. See, I told you, I guess, in last session that I like, being here because I every day I get to learn something new. So today I have got to learn this from you. So thank you.
It's okay.
All right. Okay. So it was really, really, a very nice conversation, yet very, very informative conversation because even I got to learn a lot from you. So thank you.
Yeah, yeah, and it's always very nice conversation when I talk to you. I just feel comfortable while
Thank
talking. Told you earlier also. So
you.
you're
Yes, yes, you told me so.